I know that feeling of lying in bed at night, feeling frustrated because you didn't have time to study English today. You want to speak better, you want to understand more, but life is just so busy. You feel like you are falling behind every single day. But what if I told you that you can actually learn while you rest? Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling more confident with your words. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use your sleep to master English, and I promise it is easier than you think. There is a secret way to prime your brain for language while you dream, and most students are doing it completely wrong.
Wow, welcome to English Studio. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah, and today we're going to show you how to learn English while you sleep.
This is going to be so useful. I mean, learning while doing nothing? Sign me up. Let's get into it.
It is about preparation and the right mindset. It really works.
Before we start, if you're learning English and you want videos like this every week, hit subscribe right now.
Yes, and ring the bell so you never miss a lesson. It really helps us. Okay, let's go.
Scenario number 1. You're getting ready for bed, you're tired, you want to turn off your brain. Sarah, how can we start learning right now?
Great question. The first step is what we call a nightly routine. Say that word with me. Routine. Routine.
Routine. Routine. Like things you do every single night.
Exactly. Before you sleep, your brain is very relaxed. This is the best time to review simple words. You should describe what you are doing in English. For example, I am brushing my teeth.
Oh, I get it. So instead of just thinking in my native language, I say, I am putting on my pajamas.
Yes, say it with us. I am brushing my teeth.
I am brushing my teeth.
I am putting on my pajamas.
I am putting on my pajamas. Great, now you say it.
Now here is the aha moment. Many people think they need to study hard grammar before bed. No, that is a mistake. If you study something too difficult, your brain gets stressed. If you're stressed, you won't sleep well and you won't remember. Keep it simple. Use words for things you can see in your bedroom.
That makes so much sense. Keep it easy so the brain stays happy. Okay, scenario number 2. You're actually in bed, the lights are out. What do we listen to?
This is the most important part. You need to listen to comprehensible input. That means English that you mostly already understand.
Wait, mostly understand? Why not something new?
Because if it is too hard, your brain just treats it like noise. It ignores it. You want to listen to a story or a podcast where you know about 70% of the words.
Oh, so it's like a review while you drift off.
Exactly. It strengthens the pathways in your brain. Let's practice a phrase for this. I am listening to a story.
I am listening to a story.
I am listening to a story.
I am listening to a story. Now you try.
Here is the aha moment for this one. Did you know that your brain actually organizes information while you sleep? It's called consolidation. If you listen to English right before you fall asleep, your brain thinks that information is important. It moves those English words from your short-term memory to your long-term memory.
Are you serious? So my brain is working like a little librarian while I sleep?
Yes, precisely.
That is amazing. Okay, scenario number 3. Let's talk about the volume. I used to try this, but the talking woke me up.
That is a very common problem. You need to find the right balance. The volume should be very low, like a whisper.
Like a whisper, so I can barely hear it?
Yes, it should be background noise. We call this ambient sound. Say it with me. Ambient. Ambient.
Ambient, like the sound of rain, but with English words.
You got it. Let's practice. The volume is low.
The volume is low.
The volume is low.
The volume is low. Your turn.
Here is your aha moment. Some people try to learn English by listening to loud action movies while they sleep. Don't do that. Your brain will stay awake because it thinks there's an emergency. Use calm, slow, peaceful English. This helps your brain relax and absorb the language.
I tried listening to a loud detective show once. I woke up at 3 a.m. thinking someone was chasing me.
Oh no, see? That is exactly what not to do.
Lesson learned. Okay, scenario number 4. What about when we wake up? Does the sleep learning end the moment we open our eyes?
Not at all. This is called the recall phase. When you wake up, try to remember one word or one sentence you heard in your sleep or right before bed.
Oh, like a morning challenge.
Exactly. If you can remember it, you have locked that word into your memory.
Let's practice a phrase for the morning. I remember the word.
I remember the word.
I remember the word.
I remember the word. Now you.
And what is the aha moment for the morning, Sarah?
The moment you wake up, your brain is in a state called alpha. In this state, you are very creative and good at learning. If the first thing you do is think of an English word, you are setting your brain to English mode for the rest of the whole day.
Wow, so don't check social media first. Think in English first.
Precisely. Social media can wait. English comes first.
I love that. Okay, scenario number 5. Let's talk about consistency. Does this work if I only do it once a week?
Honestly, no. You have to do it every night, even if it is just for 10 minutes.
10 minutes? That's it? I can do 10 minutes.
Anyone can. It's about making a habit. Say it with us. It is a habit.
It is a habit.
It is a habit.
It is a habit. Great. Now you say it.
Here is the aha moment. Most people quit after 3 days because they don't feel smarter. But language learning is like a tree growing. You don't see it growing every day, but a year later, it is huge. Sleep learning is a slow process, but it is very powerful over time.
So don't give up. You've got this.
Exactly. Just keep going.
Okay, scenario number 6. What kind of content should we actually use? Should it be a grammar lesson or a conversation?
Conversations are much better. When we sleep, our brains are social. We dream about people and talking, so listening to 2 people chat in English is perfect.
Like exactly what we're doing right now?
Yes, a conversation like this is perfect because it feels natural.
Let's practice. I like this conversation.
I like this conversation.
I like this conversation.
I like this conversation. Your turn.
And what is the aha moment here, Sarah?
Native speakers use filler words, words like well, so. When you listen to conversations while you sleep, you learn the rhythm of English. You learn how the language sounds, not just the words on a page. You will start to sound more natural without even trying.
That is so cool. I want to sound natural.
You will. It just takes time and the right sounds in your ears at night.
Okay, scenario number 7, our final one. What if someone says, Alex, Sarah, this sounds too easy. It can't be real.
I hear that a lot. But think about how babies learn. Do babies sit with grammar books? No, they listen and listen and listen, even while they're napping.
That is a great point. Babies are like little sponges.
We are just becoming sponges again. Let's practice. I am learning.
I am learning.
I am learning.
I am learning. Now you. And what is the aha moment here, Sarah?
Scientists have found that playing a new foreign word to a sleeping person and then showing them a picture of it the next day helps them learn the word much faster. It's called cued memory reactivation. It's a real thing.
Cued memory what? That sounds fancy.
It just means your brain is awesome and it wants to help you learn.
I love that. My brain is awesome. Your brain is awesome too. Okay, practice time. I'm going to fire off some questions, and you answer first before Sarah speaks. Are you ready? Let's go. How do you say things you do every night in English?
A routine. Routine.
Perfect. Next, what kind of sound should you listen to? Starts with an A.
Ambient sound. It means background sound.
You're doing great. How about the volume? Should it be loud or low?
Low, like a whisper.
Exactly. And when is the best time to remember a word?
In the morning, right when you wake up.
Last one. Is sleep learning a fast miracle or a slow habit?
It is a slow habit. Consistency is the key.
Boom. You nailed it.
That was wonderful. Now let's do a quick power summary of what we learned today. First, we have the nightly routine.
Keep it simple.
Second, comprehensible input.
Listen to things you mostly understand.
Third, ambient volume.
Keep it low, like a whisper.
Fourth, morning recall.
Think of one English word as soon as you wake up.
Fifth, consistency.
Do it every single night.
Sixth, conversations.
Listen to people talking to learn the rhythm.
And seventh, be a sponge.
Trust your brain. It is working for you.
You have all the tools now. Learning English doesn't have to be a struggle that ends when you get tired. It can be a peaceful part of your rest.
I'm actually excited to go to sleep tonight now. I'm going to learn so much.
Me too, Alex. Me too.
Thank you guys so much for watching. You are doing an amazing job. Learning a language is a big deal, and the fact that you're here shows you're serious.
We really believe in you. Take it one night at a time. Don't stress, just listen and let your brain do the work.
Before you go, we have a question of the day for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you. What is one thing you do every night before you go to sleep? Tell us in English in the comments below. Maybe you drink tea. Maybe you read. Tell us.
I usually check my alarm clock about 5 times. Ha!
Oh, Alex, we need to get you a more relaxing routine.
You're probably right.
Well, that's all for today. Keep practicing, keep listening, and most importantly, get some good sleep.
See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. We are so proud of you.